Hi viewers, welcome to Active Life channel. Today I am preparing healthy millet diet food or gruel. In the morning, drink 1 glass of lukewarm water into the empty stomach. After 1 hour of drinking the water, you have to consume the gruel or diet food which is made up of millets. You purchase these millets in grocery shops. It is easily available, but keep in mind you have to purchase this which has cleaned and packed. All the millets have their own benefits. These millets gruel can use each and every person of all ages after 5 years, from child to old age people. It gives energy to the body and dehydrates our body whole day. Millets help in firstly to reduce weight. Secondly, keeps your blood sugar level low and very useful for diabetic patients. Boost your immunity, prevents asthma, helps in digestion. Millets acts as an antioxidant. Pearl millet is useful for asthma patients and prevents cough. Ragi is rich in fiber. I have taken half bowl to show the demo how to prepare the gruel. Kodu millets reduces the cholesterol level and rich in fiber. It is very useful for the women and even men. Foxtail millet is rich in vitamin B12. It helps in healthy heart and nerve system. Proso millet are very useful and it has high in vitamins and useful for the diabetic patients and BP patients. Little millet are rich in fiber, minerals, potassium, zinc, iron, calcium and vitamins. This millet is good source of highly digestible proteins. It is gluten-free food, good source of iron. I have taken half bowl each millets. Pearl millet is very useful for the asthma patients or who are suffering from cold or fever. Pearl millet is also called as immunity booster food also. Mix all the ingredients equally and grind it in a dry jar and make a powder. If you want to store for 1 month, you can keep it in a sunlight for 4 hours or 5 hours. Then you can dry grind it and make a powder. I am preparing for 1 people. Take 1 bowl. Take 2 tablespoons of millet powder and 2 tablespoons of barley powder. If you have barley, you can take, otherwise you can skip barley. Soak this powder for overnight in 1 glass of water. Mix it well and close a lid and soak it for overnight. If you want to prepare instantly, you soak it for at least 1 hour and you have to prepare. Take 1 bowl and add 1 glass of water, half spoon of salt, or if you want you take jaggery, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. When it starts boiling, add the soaked millet powder and stir continuously for 5 minutes. Remove from the flame and let it cool down for 10 minutes. I have taken 2 spoonfuls of curd to make buttermilk to add to the gruel. If you want, you can add milk also, but I have taken buttermilk. Mix it well, the buttermilk with the gruel. You can add cucumber, chopped cucumber or pomegranate to the gruel. Consume 1 bowl in the morning. For afternoon, you can take any food with that. Please like and share this recipe and subscribe.